I'm Nick Wilkes with Impact Washington. We've been working with the Department of Ecology on the Lean and Green program for over 10 years to help Washington manufacturers reduce their waste streams. A key component to this program's success is the flexibility. We customize our consulting services to the specific challenges a company is facing. In many cases, we are providing the technical expertise, but the client is implementing a solution that they help trial and build. Our goal is for the client to feel ownership and for the solution and waste savings to sustain in perpetuity.
My name is Michael Johnson. I'm a chemical engineer. I work with Lean Environment Incorporated in Tacoma, Washington. I've been working with Impact Washington and AcroFab for over 15 years, working with them on their zero discharge processes and waste reduction in their metal finishing processes. In the most recent effort, we've been focused on eliminating variability in their pre-treat process and allowed them to reduce their waste by tens of thousands of dollars per year, while improving the efficiency and improving overall product quality.
Hello, my name is Abe Dale. I'm the Chemical Processing Engineer at AcroFab Incorporated. I would like to describe how our team here, working in conjunction with the team at Lean Green, Impact Washington, Department of Ecology, and chemist Michael Johnson, were able to eliminate a hazardous waste stream, resulting in significant savings for the company. Without getting too technical, Michael Johnson recommended a process that would use an inexpensive chemical, slaked lime, to bind up the sulfuric and hydrofluoric acids in our etch pads. The reaction resulted in the production of what is essentially gypsum, the main ingredient in drywall. Even after removing the water from the top, this was still quite liquid. By processing this through a filter press to remove the majority of water, we now send out about 18 barrels of non-hazardous solids per year at a lower cost per barrel. In fact, each stroke of the diaphragm pump is equal to a $100 savings. Of course, now we have a lot more water to process through our condensing equipment. We converted the float control system to a radar-based level controller, allowing us to increase the consumption rate from about 600 gallons per day to over 1,200 gallons per day, allowing us to condense the wastewater down daily with no backlog. For several years, we had been sending out over 100 barrels of liquid hazardous waste every year, costing the company nearly $50,000 per year. By partnering with the team at Lean Green, Impact Washington, Department of Ecology, and chemist Michael Johnson, we were able to reduce that cost by over 80% and recover the cost of the equipment within 10 months.